And now we can go to step 3. And step 3 is that now we have to take out all engine fluid, gearbox fluid and then radiator fluid in all of these lines, because we have to now take all fluids away. And now I will show these bolts what we have to open, and it takes quite long time, like in this hybrid car, that all of these coolant liquids goes out in hybrid system. There is also second coolant canister and there is first coolant canister, and it takes time when we drain out engine oil, then engine coolant, and then gearbox this oil, and then hybrid systems this coolant fluids. Okay, and let's go to do that job next. And now we look at what bolts we have to open next. This is engine drain out bolt. I open that bolt soon, and it takes 5 minutes that engine oil goes out. And then we have this gearbox, and now this is really hybrid gearbox, and there is first fluid. This is like this gearbox oil fluid bolt. I open that, and then there is coolant liquid bolt in here. I have to open that one, because this our gearbox is now, there is fluid, coolant fluid, this cooling in this hybrid car. Okay, and then we have this radiator areas coolant drain in bolt, and it is really in here high, this yellow bolt what I have to open in their back area, and then radiator coolant comes out. And it is good to take also away this below areas, this plastic cover, that we can take out these hoses in here. And next I really open these bolts, and then I drain out these fluids. And now I have really take out all coolant liquid. There can be a little bit in those hoses, and I have drained out also engine oil and gearbox oil. And let's go to check that what are these drain out bolts. Okay, and here was really this engine oil drain out bolt, and now this area is empty, and we go then to gearbox area. In here gearbox area, this is coolant drain out bolt, and this is gearbox and transmission oil, this drain out bolt. This drain out bolt is in here, in that area, and when we look in this side area, note that there is also second bolt in here, but this is coolant fluid for gearbox and transmission. And now I have opened both of these, and it is easy to see that this another one is like oil, and there is oil, and this is like wet, this coolant liquid. Okay, and this is really hybrid gearbox, and it needs also coolant, cool down liquid, because inside in this gearbox there is big electric motor, this hybrid motor. And then when we look a little bit far away, there is this engine oil sump, and there is engine oil sump drain out bolt. Okay, that kind of information to you. And also there is second, by the way, the second drain in bolt in here, and we can add in this gearbox oil also through that bolt in here, this one. But now I have not opened that, but it is good to know that when we take like oil away, that we add same amount, and I believe that this is the level where we check this oil amount.